17 cruise ship mistakes that could ruin your vacation. Avoid these at all costs. Cruise vacations look like pure paradise on the surface. Endless ocean views, luxury cabins, unlimited food, and stress-free travel. But behind those polished decks and smiling crew members, there are strict rules and hidden dangers most passengers never hear about. It doesn't matter if you're staying in a luxury suite or a tiny inside cabin. One small mistake inside your room can cost you hundreds of dollars, get you fined, kicked off the ship mid-voyage, or even banned from cruising for life. We're talking about fire hazards, safety violations, security rules, and expensive traps that cruise lines quietly rely on. Today, we're revealing 17 dangerous mistakes passengers keep making in their cabins, so you don't end up ruining what should be the vacation of a lifetime. Stay until the end, because some of these rules are broken by almost everyone, without them even realizing it. Let's start with a mistake so common that millions of passengers fall for it every single cruise. Mistake number 1. Touching the minibar without checking prices. That chilled bottle of water. Those tempting snacks. That innocent-looking minibar feels harmless, right? Wrong. Here's the truth: cruise lines don't advertise. Nothing inside the minibar is included, even if you paid for an unlimited drink package. For example, on Royal Caribbean, a soda that costs around $3 at the bar can cost $7.50 inside your cabin minibar. Many passengers don't realize this until the final bill appears with mysterious charges of $50, $100, or even more. The trap is simple. Cruise lines place the minibar right at eye level, hoping you'll grab something late at night or when you feel too lazy to walk to a bar. And it works. Internal industry data shows minibars generate tens of thousands of dollars in extra profit on every single cruise. Your smart move? Order drinks from the ship's bars where your package applies. Bring sealed snacks from shore. Use room service when it's included. Every dollar you save here is money better spent on shore excursions or a relaxing spa treatment. Mistake number 2. Smoking in your cabin or balcony. Lighting a cigarette or vaping on your private balcony may feel discreet, but it's one of the fastest ways to end your cruise early. In 2023 alone, Carnival removed 147 passengers for smoking inside cabins. No warnings. No second chances. They were put off at the next port and had to pay their own way home. The fines are brutal. Smoking in the cabin starts at $250. Trigger a smoke detector and you're hit with another $500. And yes, detectors can detect vaping too. Cruise lines are this strict because cabin fires are deadly at sea. A single cigarette once caused a fire on the Star Princess, destroying one cabin and damaging 13 others. Today, ships use thermal cameras and advanced sensors to monitor violations. If you smoke, only use designated smoking areas on open decks, and always check time restrictions. Some modern ships don't allow smoking at all. Mistake number 3. Taking towels or robes as souvenirs. Those fluffy white towels and soft bathrobes may feel like harmless keepsakes, but they're tracked more closely than you'd ever expect. Cruise lines embed RFID chips inside towels and robes. Hidden scanners near exits detect them instantly. Take one off the ship and alarms will alert security. Replacement charges are shocking. Bathrobe, $95. Large towel, $65. Pool towel, $45. Your safe alternative? Bring your own beach towels. Hand towels and toiletries are free. And if you love the robe, ask the front desk. Sometimes they sell them legally for less. Mistake number 4. Hanging decorations on cabin walls. Cabin walls aren't normal walls. They're coated with special anti-rust paint that's extremely expensive to repair. Tape, glue, hooks, or sticky decorations can cause damage that leads to heavy charges. Tape residue, $75. Unauthorized hooks, $150. Wood or mirror damage, up to $500. On a Disney cruise, one family used strong tape for birthday decorations and ended up paying $1,200 after the cabin had to be repainted. Use magnets instead. Place photos on dressers. Ask about approved decoration kits. And parents, never let kids draw on walls, even with pencils. That's an automatic cleaning fee. Mistake number 5. Washing clothes in the sink. Rinsing socks or swimsuits in the sink sounds harmless, but cruise plumbing systems are extremely delicate. Drains are much smaller than household pipes. Laundry soap creates thick foam. Clothing fibers build up quickly. One pair of socks can clog pipes for multiple cabins and cause flooding. If damage occurs, you pay. Use the ship's laundry service or pack extra clothes. You're on vacation, not running a laundry experiment. Mistake number 6. Opening the balcony door and cabin door together. This mistake has stranded passengers in foreign ports. Opening both doors at once creates a powerful wind tunnel due to the ship's pressure system. Papers can be sucked out to sea. Doors can slam with enough force to break fingers. Emergency alarms can be triggered. Real incidents include lost passports, injured children, and multiple reports across major cruise lines. Always close one door before opening the other. Secure loose items. Make sure everyone in your cabin knows this rule. Mistake number 7. Leaning on the balcony railing. That ocean breeze and perfect selfie spot can turn deadly in seconds. Cruise ship railings are not designed to support full body weight. Wind speeds can exceed 30 miles per hour. One slip or sudden ship movement can send someone overboard. In 2019, a passenger died after falling from a Carnival Glory balcony while taking a photo. Never lean on railings. Never drink near them. If traveling with kids, lock the balcony door or choose a non-balcony cabin. Mistake number 8. Leaving the Do Not Disturb sign too long. Leaving the sign up for over 24 hours can trigger a security check. Staff are trained to report prolonged isolation. Security may enter your cabin. Repeated incidents can lead to warnings or mandatory security interviews. Take the sign down daily. Inform the front desk if you need extended privacy. Never leave it on when you leave the cabin. Mistake number 9. Using candles or incense. Cruise ships have zero tolerance for open flames. Smoke detectors are far more sensitive than hotel systems. One candle can trigger alarms shipwide. In 2022, incense caused a full evacuation on the Master of Science Grandiosa. Fines start at $500. Nighttime incidents can get you removed from the ship or banned permanently. Use battery-operated candles or heat-free diffusers instead. Mistake number 10. Flushing the wrong items. Cruise toilets use vacuum systems. One wrong item can block plumbing for an entire section. Never flush wipes, feminine products, diapers, or condoms. Repairs at sea cost 5 times more than on land, and you'll be charged. Use trash bins. Report accidents immediately. Mistake number 11. Bringing irons or extension cords. Regular irons are the top cause of cabin fires. Cheap cords overheat easily. Security confiscates banned items. Fines range from $200 to $500, and you won't get items back. Use cordless steamers, approved power strips without surge protection, or the ship's ironing service. Mistake number 12. Posting real-time photos online. Posting while on board exposes your location, cabin number, and schedule. Thieves monitor cruise hashtags. Reflections, wristbands, and planners reveal sensitive info. Turn off location tags. Never show boarding passes. Post after returning home. Mistake number 13. Treating cabin stewards poorly. Cabin stewards report directly to security. Poor treatment can result in delayed cleaning, missing towels, and ignored complaints. Kindness costs nothing. A greeting, thank you, and small daily tip earns loyalty and better service. Mistake number 14. Leaving kids alone in the cabin. This rule is strictly enforced. Children under the 12th of May never be left alone. Teens require regular supervision. Violations can lead to removal from the ship without refund. Use babysitting services, kids clubs, or take turns supervising. Mistake number 15. Trusting the cabin safe completely. Many safes use default codes. Some can be opened with magnets. Some aren't anchored. Change the code immediately. Split valuables. Use reception safes for high-value items. Mistake number 16. Drinking excessively in your cabin. Most nighttime medical emergencies are alcohol-related. Medical visits can cost $500 to $3,000. Drinking alcohol brought ashore is usually prohibited. Drink responsibly. Never mix alcohol with medication. Stay hydrated. Mistake number 17. Skipping the safety drill. Skipping the drill can delay real emergencies and cost lives. Fines range from $100 to $500. Refusal can result in removal from the ship. Arrive early. Memorize your station. Pay attention. Captains can even order a second drill if too many passengers miss the first. From minibar traps to safety drills, every mistake has a price. Tell us in the comments which one shocked you the most. Subscribe for more cruise secrets they never tell passengers. And remember, it's always better to be informed than stuck in a lifeboat.